Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing this quick try on / quick mini review for you guys on this new unit that I got from a company called Wigs By, and I'll show you the picture right here that they have on the site for this unit, which I was very skeptical when I picked out the wig, and then when I took the wig out of the box itself, it was just like, okay. But you know, I put it on, I trimmed the bangs, and here we are. And I think it looks very similar, close to the picture, the stock image that they use for the site. I've never tried a full-on platinum blonde wig before, and I'm feeling very Barbie-esque. Yeah, so the company is called Wigs By, and you know, the wig itself has no lace at all. It's made on a wig cap, and it's sewn in a circular pattern on the top right here. So you can't really tell that it's sewn like that the way it's done, so it looks super natural on the top. It has no combs in it, but they do send you extra combs in the box. They do send you a comb to comb through the hair, which is right here. It's a plastic comb. It's somewhat like a wide tooth comb, but not like too big. And they send you a pamphlet on how to care for the hair, and it also has coupons in it. The hair itself, it's super long. It stops right above my butt area. The thickness is pretty, I guess, what a regular person would have on their head. As far as flat ironing it, it was super easy. I flat ironed it on the low setting, and it, you know, held up pretty well to that. So on the website, they describe this as a loose wave 24 inches, which it is 24 inches. It stops right above my hip, so it's super long. It kind of tapers out to the end, so it's not like super blunt. Some of you may not like that. All the hair together so you guys could see. So this is all the hair. It goes from very thick, and then it like tapers out, like it thins out. Okay, so that's how it looks on the bottom of the unit. I do love the bangs, and it looks pretty accurate to the picture that they used. The only thing on the picture I noticed, it was like a little bit dark in the roots, but if I wanted that, I could put like some eyeshadow and get that effect if I wanted. Another thing is, when I picked the wig out, I checked the reviews on the site, and so far the reviews were pretty good. So that's one of the main reasons why I ended up going with it. It's something different. The plan was to actually dye it before I showed it to you guys, but I wanted to take it out the box, which I'll show you guys right now. It looks out the box. The box was a little bit crushed when I got it, but that's fine. The wig was still fine, and you know, just to put it on, there's no clips or combs in the unit, but like I said, it comes with combs in the box, so it's easy to just install those wherever you want. It is not a lace unit. It's made on a wig cap and sewn in a circular pattern using track hair, not individual hairs. Okay, so you know, once I put it on, I use my flat iron on the lowest setting and just, you know, pass it through to straighten it out a bit, and then to make my bangs a bit more, you know, full, and bump them a bit and give them some body. Alright guys, so you saw how easy it was to just get this wig to look a bit proper, and I think it's cute. It's different. It's not something that I've ever worn on my channel before, but I've always wanted a blonde wig, and finally got the opportunity to try one out. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I'll have the link down below to the website for wigsby.com. and yeah, if you guys like the wig, let me know what you think. If you want me to dye the wig, if I decide to do that, let me know what colors you think I should dye the wig. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and yes, there will be a tutorial for this look. I wanted to do something bold but yet neutral on the lips, or Barbie-esque, you know what I mean? So I'm hoping you guys are liking this look right here, because this is going to be your next tutorial. And so yeah, like I said, any information you need on the unit is down below in the description box. Love you guys. Bye.